Hi, welcome to Cooking with Carmen. I'm still in my pajamas because it's winter break and I have no control over my life. And today, we're making soy, honey, lemon baked fish. Okay, so here we go. You need aluminum foil, paprika, pepper, soy sauce, olive oil, honey, what is this? Chili powder and salt and some lemon and your salmon, and then you gotta just turn over and turn your oven to. That's the wrong. There's some minor technical difficulties. You realize you're supposed to set the oven to 400 degrees because it's lit. Okay, so get your pan, put some foil in it, and this is some non-stick cooking spray. Sorry, you need that too. Spray it down, because if not, your salmon is gonna stick. It's gonna stick, and then you're gonna have a mess, and you're not gonna have a nice salmon. I'm going to be 100% real with you. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I already pre-washed my salmon, and I already dried it. And basically, you're gonna wanna season the hell out of it, because if you don't season it, you're gonna taste like, or not you're gonna taste like, it's gonna taste like cardboard. And you don't want some cardboard fish, or else you're gonna have a bad time. And if you cook for your family and friends, they're all gonna make fun of you because you have cardboard fish, and it's not. Okay, so you're gonna wanna season that with salt, pepper, paprika, chili powder, and don't add too much salt because you have to add the soy sauce to marinate it in. And if you do, your fish is gonna be saltier than me after the Clemson game. Okay, now you take your somewhat really dirty kitchen counter and your somewhat pretty dirty bowl, and then you just add some stuff. You gotta add 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon really salty soy sauce. I don't know if I can recommend this because it's really salty, and I mean, yeah, I guess. And also half a lemon. And then you work your black magic and have that done, and then have your salmon laying on a pile of beautiful lemons, and you just kind of drizzle it on, let it marinate because it needs to marinate, or else it's gonna taste not flavorful, I guess. Okay, now I know what you're thinking. You're gonna be like, oh, Carmen, but what about the sides? Okay, I'll tell you what you're gonna do for side. You're gonna make some rice cauliflower, some old ass cauliflower, really old, and then just chop that. Throw it into a pan with some garlic. If you want to be extra fancy, throw in some kale. I know y'all don't like kale, but you can add it in there for a little color pop. For the gram, you know? For the gram. And speaking of for the gram, you know Cooking with Carmen has an Instagram. That's at _ Cooking with Carmen on the Instagram with my food on the Instagram. Okay, it's been 15 minutes and I got my salmon wrapped like that. Just open up the oven, pop it in, hope for the best, and be careful because you got the oil heating up for your other side dish that I'm not gonna show you because all I'm gonna do is chop and cook and yeah. Also, don't forget to season this, because if not, it's gonna taste pretty bad unless you like cardboard. It's not like it's textured like cardboard or anything, but it's gonna taste pretty bad. Okay, so now that your oven went off, you gotta get your oven mitts, you gotta get your salmon, and then you think you're done, right? But psych, boy! You gotta broil it. You gotta broil it. If you're already like, wow, that's so good, just you wait. And then there you have it. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. The mess actually is not that bad this time, so that's pretty great. So I hope you like this video. If you make this, slide into my DMs. If you don't have a DM, I'm sorry. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. My name's Carmen. You're cooking with me, not really.